A visionary leader unveiled. Meet Onpassive CEO Ash Mufareh. Hey there, digital dynamos! Ready to unlock the secrets to marketing mastery? We're about to dive deep into the world of Onpassive, a revolutionary company transforming the digital landscape. And leading this charge is their visionary CEO, Ash Mufareh, a true trailblazer in the industry. This CEO, with their finger on the pulse of digital trends, understands that success in this fast-paced world requires innovation, adaptability, and a sprinkle of secret sauce. And guess what? They're here to share some of those secret ingredients with us today. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to unlock the vault of digital marketing wisdom. From content that converts to AI-powered strategies, Onpassive's Ash Mufareh is about to reveal the game-changing techniques that are reshaping the industry. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's dive in. But first, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It would help me a lot. Thanks. Secret number 1. Content is king, but value is queen. The first secret out of the bag is all about content. You've heard it before. Content is king, but here's the twist. Onpassive's CEO emphasizes that while content reigns supreme, it's the value you deliver that truly captures attention. Think of it this way. Would you rather receive a generic sales pitch or a piece of content that genuinely helps you solve a problem? Exactly. Onpassive's CEO urges us to ditch the salesy jargon and focus on creating content that educates, entertains, or inspires our audience. Think blog posts that provide actionable tips, videos that simplify complex concepts, or infographics that make data digestible. Remember, it's not about shouting from the rooftops about how great you are. It's about whispering wisdom into the ears of your audience and building trust through valuable content. Secret number 2. AI and automation, your digital dream team. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, AI and automation. Don't worry, it's not here to steal our jobs. Instead, Onpassive's CEO reveals how AI and automation can be our secret weapons for streamlining marketing processes and boosting efficiency. Imagine this: AI-powered tools that analyze data to identify your ideal customers, personalize your messaging, and even automate your social media posts. That's the power of Onpassive. These technologies free up our time from tedious tasks, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, building relationships and crafting creative campaigns. Onpassive's Ash Mufareh encourages us to embrace these advancements, not fear them. By integrating AI and automation into our strategies, we can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and achieve results that were once unimaginable. It's like having a team of digital assistants working tirelessly behind the scenes, 24/7. Who wouldn't want that? Secret number 3. Data-driven decisions. Let the numbers guide you. In the world of digital marketing, intuition can only take you so far. Onpassive's CEO emphasizes the importance of data-driven decisions, turning those gut feelings into concrete strategies. We're talking about diving deep into website analytics, understanding customer behavior, and tracking key metrics to measure the success of our campaigns. Knowledge is power, right? By analyzing data, we gain valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and how we can optimize our efforts for maximum impact. Ash Mufareh encourages us to embrace the data, identify patterns, and use those insights to make informed choices about our marketing strategies. Remember, it's not about randomly throwing things at the wall and seeing what sticks. It's about using data as our compass, guiding us towards the most effective path for achieving our goals. A revolution in the making, reshaping the digital landscape. As we've seen, Mr. Ash isn't just sharing digital marketing secrets, they're igniting a revolution. By embracing value-driven content, harnessing the power of AI and automation, and making data-driven decisions, they're empowering businesses of all sizes to thrive in the digital age. These secrets are breaking down traditional barriers, leveling the playing field, and giving everyone a fighting chance to succeed online. It's no longer about big budgets or fancy agencies. It's about smart strategies, innovative tools, and a commitment to delivering exceptional value to your audience. Onpassive, your partner in digital domination. But here's the best part. You don't have to navigate this digital revolution alone. Onpassive and its visionary CEO are here to guide you every step of the way. With their suite of AI-powered tools, expert resources, and unwavering support, they're your trusted partner in achieving digital domination. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the secrets, join the revolution, and unlock your true digital potential with Onpassive. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.